Hi everyone! Have you heard the disputes about the superpowers of baking soda for beauty and human health? They haven't abated for a long time. There are so many theories that it's extremely difficult to figure out what really works and what is just really dangerous. In this video we'll try to understand what is so magical about baking soda and if it can perform miracles. Besides the fact that all diseases are caused by nerves, some scientists believe that diseases and rapid aging are the result of deviation from the normal acid-base balance, namely oxidation of the body. The problem is that in our body alkali is produced initially much less than acid. Extremely unhealthy food and unbalanced diet, which many people constantly or periodically see, aggravates the situation even more. It's believed that oxidizing stuff is meat, cereals, bread, sugar, and alkaline are fruits, vegetables, and greens. That doesn't mean that you need to give up meat and cereals, although not eating bread, sugar is a very good decision, and we'll talk about this later. But balance is the most important thing in nature. The same goes for food, hence the formula: at least 35% of the human diet should contain fruits, vegetables, and greens every day. This is assert. But who is eating like that? There are not many who eat like that. How many apples and carrots you need to eat a day to keep proportion? So it turns out that we eat what we eat, the body is full of acid, and the metabolism is dead, immunity falls. As a result, disease. You're welcome. Hence the theory that you can restore balance by adding alkali in a simple way, taking its out. The basic recipe is to drink baking soda every day after having dissolved warm water. However, with the seeming logic of this theory and various recovery stories, there are no doctors who confirm it. Even more, regular use of baking soda can lead to exacerbation of disease for those who suffer from them. For example, for those who have an increased acidity of the stomach, it's just caused an increasing from soda, because alkali from outside provokes the body to produce even more acid. So scientists believe that drinking baking soda is not just useful, but can also be extremely dangerous for everyone who starts to get involved with it. What conclusions do we have? You won't experience, no one will forbid you, but no one can guarantee that you will feel worse.